If you get this error, you have denied access to your devices on the Ome TV. We're gonna fix this issue. There might be 3 causes of this issue. The first case might be that you have not allowed the microphone and camera access to Ome TV. So go to the URL box at the top and click on this icon here and allow the camera and microphone access. Once you've done this, we're gonna reload the page. And thus it instantly fixes the issue. Let's go through second cause. The second case might be that any other applications might be accessing your camera. That's why you're not getting on the Ome TV. If you check here, I have properly allowed the camera and microphone access, but still we're getting the error. So check for any other applications that currently accessing your camera. Let's minimize and check. Let's go to tray and I have here Camo Studio. It's launched here and it's accessing my camera. That's why I'm not getting it on Ome TV. Let's close the camera application, meaning that you're gonna have to close all the camera applications that currently accessing your camera. Once you've closed all the possible applications that might access your camera, we're gonna go to Ome TV once again back and reload. And thus it has fixed the issue. Now the third case might be that your default camera is disabled in the device manager. So we're gonna go to search box and type in here device manager. Go to device manager, and if you expand the cameras, you'll see that the default camera, integrated camera, is disabled here. We're gonna right click and then enable device. Once the default camera is enabled, close it and then relaunch Ome TV once again back. And thus it should be back. In any of the cases, if it still doesn't fix the issue, you're gonna have to click on this icon here at the top, go to cookies and site data, manage on device site data, and just delete the site data for Ome TV, and then you can have to relogin back and it will fix the issue. So that's how you can fix the error. You have denied access to your devices. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel.